Now, dabbity nabbit, do you see something that I should have put on? You remember this black thing? It fit over the top of this. These screws went through the black and fit on there. Okay? And I wasn't paying attention, or I did that for your benefit. Okay? You make up your own mind on that. Alright? So, I've got to put this back. Well, I can't put it back now, right? I've got to pull this whole thing apart. I got to. Son of a gun. Son of a gun. Look at that. The first mix-up. And you'll just have to maybe think I did that for your benefit. And so now, yep, I've got to take this apart, don't I? I've got to undo this, and you'll be like, man, why didn't I read the directions, or why wasn't I paying attention? Maybe you were paying attention and you were yelling at me, and you were saying, Joe, 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 hey, don't forget that. Ah, you silly weenie. Okay. Is it becoming clear to you how this is all going together now? Get this unscrewed. Pull that back out. Actually, yeah. I could have left that section on, huh? I could have left that last bit on after I took these screws out and taken the cotter, taking that pin out, right? Let's just okay, so now I've got to undo all these screws, put this trim back on there, okay? All right, let's get her done. Let's see, you just learned something, how to follow directions, or how to pay attention, how not to pay attention. Okay, I got the black bracket back on there, got the screws tight. Now I gotta put this back on there. Is it all coming together, making sense? Let's try it there. Line that up. Let's see if I've got it. Yeah, okay. Now that seemed to go pretty good. Let's see if I can tighten it down one more and see if the cotter pin or this little deal will still fit. Yes, it does. And I think that's the, I don't think I can go any further. We'll try. Yep, still going. The further down I can get it, the better off I will be, right? Okay, it's still going. I think this right here might be too far. I don't think it's going to go this time. Oh, it almost wants to go, but I don't think I can. Yeah, I can't get it on that one. Okay, so I'm gonna back it off there. Get it through there. Put my pin on, because that's got a little hole in it, like that. Okay. See, it still has that little bit, and it will. It always will, until I get this cinched down. I'm just going to slide it over a little. Let's just there and about there. Okay, I can tighten that a little bit, tighten that a little bit, tighten this a little bit, tighten this one a little bit. Okay, that feels pretty good. I'm just pushing those screws right into the threads. Okay, now I can tighten those little nuts with my crescent, my crescent wrench. And if you don't have a crescent wrench, you could take some needle nose maybe, or a pair of pliers and try to just grab that, not the screw head. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, well, we got it. Do you think we're ready for the next step, or is your mind going now? Like, are you thinking about it? Are you deciding for yourself? Is there anything else that needs to be done? Okay, think about it here for a minute.